Today, we're diving into the world of aquatics with the Marina LED Aquarium Kit, a perfect choice for both beginners and seasoned aquarists. This 10-gallon glass aquarium offers a sleek and modern design, measuring 20 inches long, 10 inches wide, and 12.5 inches high, making it a great fit for any room. The kit includes a Marina Slim S15 clip-on filter, which features quick-change filter cartridges for hassle-free maintenance, ensuring your aquatic environment stays clean and healthy. With everything you need to get started, this kit makes setting up your aquatic home a breeze. The LED lighting system not only enhances the beauty of your fish and plants but also provides energy-efficient illumination. Whether you're looking to create a vibrant underwater world or a serene aquatic sanctuary, the Marina LED Aquarium Kit is your gateway to a captivating aquatic experience. Dive in and let your imagination swim free with this all-inclusive aquarium kit. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.